Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to show you a short video for same color bishop ending. This is very common ending when one side is trying to win with pawn up and the second opponent tries to draw. Of course, in order to assess the position, we have to understand all the things what's happening here, like position of color of kings, whether we can promote a pawn, and whether opponent can take our pawns. So in this position we should notice that this pawn on g3 is on dark square, so king can very easily capture it, and if black gives up bishop for a pawn, and then this king takes this pawn on g3, then it's automatically a draw. So let's try this way to win. For instance, just promoting the pawn. So king e4, king b4, king bishop d7, a5, takes, and in this position black just takes on b5, and even though white can win this pawn, it's a draw. So let's move back. So this is the initial position. When we have an ending, we have to understand that ending is extremely tactical. There is even this position where a lot of static pawns, we can see that a lot of ideas. So first of all is to overwork this bishop. So because this bishop protects this g4 pawn, and if white captures it and protects the g3, then white is easily winning. So we have to create some kind of two weaknesses, yeah, but in the sense that to promote let's say two pawns which are going to queen, and in this case black is not in time to control everything. So what would you play in this position? The correct move in this position is to play a5 to break through. As I showed you previously, if black manages to put the bishop on d7, then it's most likely will be a draw, because when white breaks through, then this pawn hangs. So a5 takes, b6. So this is the only move for black to control the b7 pawn, and in this position engine proposes that king a3 also wins, but this this move bishop to g4 is really nice, because now white achieved taking this pawn, and if they manage to go to g4, then it's winning. So black plays king f2, attacking the g3 pawn, and if they take, then it's most likely a draw. And what would you play in this position? In this position, the winning move is bishop to e6. So this bishop is now overworked. It has to protect b7, and it has to, but it's attacked. So let's say for f6, but in this case white just plays g4, and they immediately totally winning, because black cannot stop these two pawns from queening. One of them will queen. All right, thank you very much, and see you next time.